Hi, and welcome to Nifty Duck. Tom here. This is the second devlog of my upcoming mobile game, Stereo Guys, where I will tell you how I inserted power-ups and coins. If you haven't seen my last devlog about this game yet, I advise you to watch it because it's the introduction of it. I spent 8 days to make the coins and 3 power-ups. Am I a lazy developer? Maybe, but now let's start. For the coins, I use this method. Every obstacle that is present on the prefabs has got a script. This one, every time the obstacle appears, picks up a random number of a range. Every number represents a certain disposition of the coins that will be spawned. Else, if the random number is greater than the number of the dispositions, there won't be any coins. I did it because it's programming. The big part of coding goes around numbers and math calculations. Then I created manually every possible position of the coins, connected them to the obstacle script and made the spawn coins mechanism, based on the object pooling system. That's the result. But let's talk about the next step, the power-ups. The power-ups were the most stressful part of the work and I hated this game while I was making them. The power-ups into this game were a little bit like the quests on Skyrim. You complete a quest, here are other 7 quests for you. You complete another quest, here are other 13 quests for you. And this is like the bugs into this damn game. For the Powerup design, I was thinking about the theme of this game, that turns around the music and the noise. So I got an idea. The player could have picked up audio cassettes and everyone gives you a certain power. So I started designing the Powerup from Pisco and I imported it into Unity. Then, what types of power could I have put in? The first one is the shield, that permits you to revive if you hurt an obstacle. The second is the double jump, that doubles the jump. And the third are the double coins, that, yeah, you know. These are the first 3 types of power-ups that you will find in Stereo Guys, but I will insert others, because I think they aren't a lot.
Warning, nerdy explanation.
To make the shield, I made a bool variable is invincible that turns on when you pick up the power-up and off when you hurt an obstacle. Into the void late update, I inserted if the variable is invincible is on, the shield has to follow the player. Is that finished here? No! I had to make all the animations connected to the power-up like the camera shake to make the game more alive. But there were infinite problems and bugs like this, or this, or this. But finally I solved this and that was the result. Making the double jump was pretty easy. In Visual Studio I made a new bool variable double jump. And the mechanism was the same. And here comes the funny part. I watched a tutorial of making trails in Unity and I decided to make the double jump power up with a purple trail and the double coins one with a yellow trail, with some star particle effects. I also had to make the finish animations of double coins and double jump power ups, because the last one was terrible. So I made a gradual transition between the power-up effect and the end of it. And finally it looks good. I can check the power-ups on my to-do list and pass to the next thing. I think finishing the UI or something else. As I said before, I think I will add new power-ups to Stereo Guys. Maybe something more original that changes a little bit the gameplay. So this was the second devlog of my future mobile game. If you liked it, click the thumbs up and comment. Else, if you didn't like it, it doesn't matter. So guys, let's see us to the next video. Bye from Nifty Duck.